extension poles are available for changing vertically mounted compact fluorescent lamps. When selecting an extension pole, consider several factors. Firstly, there's the Klein Tools 15-foot quick adjust extension pole, catalog number 55901. It features a telescopic design with an articulating head, allowing for precise positioning. It extends up to 15 feet and has a maximum load capacity of 15 pounds. Secondly, consider the Werner Pole Systems 16-foot fiberglass extension pole, catalog number 3216 FW. This pole is made of durable fiberglass with a slip-resistant grip. It extends up to 16 feet and has a load capacity of 25 pounds. Thirdly, there's the Milwaukee Tool 12-foot quick lock extension pole, catalog number 48-22-1512. It features a quick lock mechanism for easy adjustment and a magnetic tip for holding screws and bolts. It extends up to 12 feet with a load capacity of 25 pounds. Fourthly, there is the Malco PL 975 9-foot extension pole. It is designed specifically for changing lighting fixtures in hard-to-reach areas. It features a non-marring rubber tip and an articulating head with a 90-degree tilt. It reaches up to 9 feet with a load capacity of 15 pounds. Fifthly, the Gardner Bender 15-foot telescopic extension pole, catalog number GB-15, is made of lightweight aluminum with a telescoping design. It extends up to 15 feet and has a load capacity of 10 pounds. When choosing an extension pole, consider the length. Select a pole that is long enough to reach the lamps you need to change. Check the load capacity. Make sure the pole can support the weight of the lamp and any tools you will be using. Look for articulating heads. Articulating heads allow you to position the pole at different angles for better access. Choose slip-resistant handles. This will help you maintain a secure grip on the pole, especially when it is extended. Wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves and safety glasses. Use a ladder or scaffolding if necessary for stability. Disconnect the power to the lamps before changing them. Considering the length, it's crucial to accurately assess the height of the lamps you need to access. Add a few extra feet to account for your own height and arm reach while maintaining a safe working distance. The load capacity is another critical factor. Exceeding the maximum load can lead to instability, damage to the pole, or even accidents. Articulating heads significantly enhance the versatility of an extension pole. They allow you to adjust the angle of the tool or attachment, making it easier to access lamps that are not directly overhead. Slip-resistant handles are essential for maintaining a firm grip, especially when working at heights. Look for handles with a textured surface or a rubberized coating to prevent slippage. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves and safety glasses, to protect yourself from potential hazards such as broken glass or electrical shock. If the lamps are particularly high or difficult to reach, using a ladder or scaffolding in conjunction with an extension pole can provide added stability and safety. Always ensure that the ladder or scaffolding is properly set up and secured before use. Before commencing any electrical work, always disconnect the power to the lamps at the circuit breaker or fuse box. This will prevent accidental electrical shock and ensure your safety. Choosing the right extension pole involves a careful evaluation of your specific needs and working conditions. By considering the length, load capacity, articulating heads, and handle design, you can select a pole that will enable you to safely and efficiently change vertically mounted compact fluorescent lamps in hard-to-reach areas. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear, using a ladder or scaffolding when necessary, and always disconnecting the power before starting any work. In addition to the mentioned extension poles, several other factors contribute to the safe and efficient replacement of compact fluorescent lamps. Firstly, understanding the different types of compact fluorescent lamps is crucial. There are two main types: integrated and non-integrated. Integrated compact fluorescent lamps have the ballast built into the lamp itself, while non-integrated compact fluorescent lamps require an external ballast. Knowing which type of lamp you are working with will help you select the appropriate replacement and ensure proper installation. Secondly, inspect the lamp socket before installing a new lamp. Over time, lamp sockets can become corroded or damaged, which can affect the performance and lifespan of the new lamp. If the socket shows signs of damage, it should be replaced before installing a new lamp. Thirdly, when installing a new compact fluorescent lamp, make sure to handle it carefully. Compact fluorescent lamps contain mercury, which is a hazardous material. Avoid dropping or breaking the lamp, and if it does break, follow proper cleanup procedures. Fourthly, consider using a lamp disposal program to recycle old compact fluorescent lamps. Many municipalities and retailers offer lamp disposal programs to ensure that the mercury in the lamps is properly recycled. By participating in these programs, you can help protect the environment and prevent mercury contamination. Fifthly, regularly inspect and maintain your lighting fixtures. This includes cleaning the fixtures, tightening loose connections, and replacing worn-out parts. Proper maintenance can help extend the lifespan of your lighting fixtures and ensure optimal performance. Choosing the right extension pole, understanding the different types of compact fluorescent lamps, inspecting the lamp socket, handling new lamps carefully, using a lamp disposal program, and regularly maintaining your lighting fixtures are all important factors in the safe and efficient replacement of compact fluorescent lamps. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your lighting system operates safely and efficiently for years to come. Furthermore, it is good practice to familiarize yourself with the relevant safety standards and regulations related to electrical work. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides comprehensive guidelines for the safe installation and maintenance of electrical systems. Consulting the NEC and any local electrical codes can help you ensure that your work is compliant and safe. When working with electricity, it is always better to err on the side of caution. If you are not comfortable performing the work yourself, it is best to hire a qualified electrician. An electrician has the training and experience to safely and effectively handle electrical repairs and installations. In addition to the safety aspects, it's worth noting some energy-saving tips related to compact fluorescent lamps. While compact fluorescent lamps are generally more energy efficient than incandescent lamps, they are not as efficient as light-emitting diode, or LED, lamps. Consider upgrading to LED lamps to further reduce your energy consumption and save money on your electricity bill. LED lamps have a longer lifespan and consume significantly less energy than compact fluorescent lamps. When choosing LED lamps, pay attention to the color temperature and light output. Color temperature is measured in Kelvin and indicates the warmth or coolness of the light. Light output is measured in lumens and indicates the brightness of the light. Select LED lamps with the appropriate color temperature and light output for your specific application. In addition to replacing compact fluorescent lamps with LED lamps, you can also save energy by using occupancy sensors and timers. Occupancy sensors automatically turn lights on when someone enters a room and turn them off when the room is empty. Timers can be used to automatically turn lights on and off at specific times of day. Occupancy sensors and timers can help reduce energy waste and save money on your electricity bill. To summarize, choosing the right extension pole, understanding the different types of compact fluorescent lamps, inspecting the lamp socket, handling new lamps carefully, using a lamp disposal program, regularly maintaining your lighting fixtures, following safety standards and regulations, considering upgrading to LED lamps, and using occupancy sensors and timers are all important factors in the safe, efficient, and cost-effective operation of your lighting system. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your lighting system provides adequate illumination while minimizing energy consumption and maximizing safety. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when working with electricity. If you are ever unsure about how to proceed, consult a qualified electrician. Investing in proper tools and equipment, such as extension poles, safety gear, and testing equipment, is essential for ensuring a safe and efficient working environment. Regularly inspect your tools and equipment to ensure that they are in good working order and replace them when necessary. Maintaining a well-organized and clean workspace can also help prevent accidents and improve productivity. Keep your tools and equipment stored in designated areas and clean up any spills or debris immediately. By creating a safe and organized working environment, you can minimize the risk of accidents and ensure that your lighting projects are completed safely and efficiently. Furthermore, it's crucial to stay updated on the latest advancements in lighting technology. The lighting industry is constantly evolving, with new products and technologies being introduced regularly. Staying informed about these advancements can help you make informed decisions about your lighting systems and ensure that you are using the most efficient and effective solutions available. Attend industry conferences, read trade publications, and consult with lighting professionals to stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies. In addition to staying informed about new technologies, it's also important to understand the principles of lighting design. Proper lighting design can enhance the aesthetics of a space, improve visibility, and create a more comfortable and productive environment. Consider factors such as light levels, color rendering, and glare when designing your lighting systems. Consult with a lighting designer to create a lighting plan that meets your specific needs and goals. Remember that proper lighting is essential for safety, productivity, and overall well-being. By investing in quality lighting systems and following best practices for installation and maintenance, you can create a safe, efficient, and comfortable environment for yourself and others. In conclusion, when it comes to changing vertically mounted compact fluorescent lamps in hard-to-reach areas, the use of extension poles provides a practical and cost-effective solution. By considering factors such as length, load capacity, articulating heads, and handle design, you can select the right extension pole for your specific needs. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear, using a ladder or scaffolding when necessary, and always disconnecting the power before starting any work. Additionally, consider upgrading to LED lamps, using occupancy sensors and timers, and staying informed about the latest advancements in lighting technology to further enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your lighting systems. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your lighting system operates safely, efficiently, and effectively for years to come. And remember, when in doubt, consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that all work is performed safely and in compliance with applicable codes and regulations.